Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks as a bookkeeper. First, you will learn to navigate the software's interface and understand its fundamental tools. We'll cover setting up new client companies, customizing their chart of accounts, and integrating bank feeds. This foundational knowledge is crucial for accurate financial record-keeping and efficient workflow management. Mastering these initial steps ensures a smooth start for all your bookkeeping tasks. Next, we will dive into the daily bookkeeping tasks. This includes accurately recording all income and expenses, ensuring every transaction is categorized correctly. You will also learn to reconcile bank and credit card statements, a critical step for maintaining financial accuracy. Efficiently managing accounts payable and receivable is key to optimizing your client's cash flow and overall financial health. Applying the EMA to your chart is straightforward. Most platforms allow you to add it from their indicator list. Once applied, pay close attention to its direction. An upward-sloping EMA suggests an uptrend, while a downward slope indicates a downtrend. When the price crosses above the EMA, it often signals bullish momentum, and a cross below can suggest bearish momentum. Many traders also use two EMAs, like a 10 and a 20, looking for crossovers to confirm signals. Finally, let's discuss best practices for professional bookkeeping. Always prioritize data security and maintain strict client confidentiality. Effective communication is vital. Regularly update clients on their financial performance and address any questions. Staying current with QuickBooks updates and industry changes ensures you provide the most accurate and efficient service possible, building strong client relationships.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.